In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Adobe Express not working. If Adobe Express isn't loading, freezing, or behaving unpredictably, don't worry. We're going to walk through a simple set of fixes that resolve most issues quickly and safely, so you can get back to creating. First, try the simplest fix. Refresh the page or restart the Adobe Express app. A quick reload clears minor glitches and refreshes your session. If you're using a browser, click the refresh button or use your keyboard shortcut to reload. If you're on the mobile or desktop app, close it completely so it's not running in the background, wait a few seconds, and then reopen it. If you have unsaved work, give the page a moment to sync before refreshing. This alone often restores full functionality. Next, check your internet connection and, if possible, try a different network. Adobe Express relies on a stable connection to load assets and save changes. Open another website or stream a short video to confirm your connection is working smoothly. If things feel slow or inconsistent, move closer to your router, plug in with an Ethernet cable if you can, or switch from Wi-Fi to a cellular hotspot as a quick test. If Adobe Express works on a different network, that points to a local connectivity issue you can address with your provider or network settings later. If the problem persists, clear your browser cache and cookies, then reopen Adobe Express. Cached files help pages load faster, but when they become outdated or corrupted, they can cause loading errors and broken buttons. In your browser settings, look for Privacy or History, then choose the option to clear browsing data. Select cached images and files and cookies if needed. Keep in mind that clearing cookies may sign you out of websites. After clearing, close the browser completely, open it again, and go back to Adobe Express. Fresh files and a clean session often fix stubborn issues. Finally, update your browser or try a different browser. Adobe Express is optimized for modern web standards, so using the latest version matters. Most browsers let you check for updates in the Help or About section, and updates install in a minute or two. If you need a quick workaround, open Adobe Express in another major browser to see if it runs better there. If it does, you'll know the issue was browser-specific. Work through these steps in order, and in most cases, Adobe Express will be back to normal. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get up and running again.